The state of Maryland welcomes you. We're literally across the Maryland line right now, kind of. We're going over to West Virginia from, I believe it's Garrett County or Allegheny County, Maryland there. And you've got the beautiful Potomac River here, which has amazing smallmouth, largemouth, catfish. We even saw some bluegill, but again, your main game fish, as you know, small fish are where it's at. Here, they are literally hitting on worms, minnows, and anything bright. Very aggressive, beautiful area. We'll walk over to West Virginia for a minute here so you can get a different perspective. Mineral County. And yeah, there were a lot of, forgot what you call it, mining, coal mining over here. Of course, we have, well, here's Blaine, West Virginia, Mineral County. I believe you've got Norfolk Southern and CSX trains run through here. It's not very often, though. I don't know if anybody can see if it's listed Allegheny or Garrett there. But Mineral County, West Virginia, and Western Maryland have a lot in common. They're not wealthy right now, but if you love recreation, whether it's kayaking, fishing, hunting, nice people, this is the spot to be. And as you can see, the kayakers have a lot of fun over here. And they're up in the distance, kind of cornered. There's the railroad further down. This water, you can actually catch what you eat here. It's not polluted. Of course, it comes from some that comes far up from here, but this is still far away from the DC and Hagerstown areas to be able to eat it safely. And seriously, when that blood pressure goes up and you're stressed out, there's no better fishing spot than here. Thank you, subscribers and viewers, and for more content like this, you're going to get a lot more here on this channel. I hope you subscribe and follow. Beautiful day.